Hi, my name is Della. I'm a creative consultant and a curriculum designer. I've been designing many courses and modules for a long time. I've also been facilitating many of these classes for a long time too. And most of them were on a face-to-face situation. But right now, all that has changed. Most of the classes are on a virtual platform. I'm a new migrant and I love it. I really love it. I love to connect with the people on a virtual platform. And especially when you're working from home, it just makes it a lot more interesting to actually connect with people on a remote basis. Most people are actually quite fearful to be a host in such a platform. They feel that they're alone, they feel that they're just talking to camera, and it doesn't make much sense. They feel the pressure on them. And when there are situations that are unexpected, perhaps the doorbell rings, perhaps the dog is barking. Why? Because they're working from home, and they go into a panic situation. Not knowing how to manage such a situation of unexpectedness. Or when they're facilitating, there is a radio silence, a pause, and you can see the panic on their face, and you find that the nervous energy actually gets through, and this is felt by the participants. But fear not, the pufferfish in the Matter Circle, we've curated an extra special workshop for you. It's creating an engaging virtual session. This session could be a webinar, it could be a workshop, it could be a class, it could be a network meeting, or a very simple team meeting that you have. And what do we cover? We cover the 7 pillars. And the 7 pillars are actually 7 easy steps to take you from 0 all the way to 10. And what do we cover? We cover prep, which is preparation. We cover facilitation skills, how do you present yourself, what sort of preparation materials do you use, what sort of exercises, what sort of activities do you do to engage the participants. On top of it, we cover lights, camera, and sound. And these exercises that we have are actually experiential. You go into it, you take the concepts and you practice. Why? Because these bite-sized things are actually very useful for you as what we call actionable steps to take away with you when you get back to your workplace. So stay tuned as we bring this workshop live to you. This is Della signing off. See you around. Bye.